Hi there, welcome to myABCdad.
My name is Greg and this here is
Elliot.
What are we going to do today, Elliot?
Print big giant F.
We're going to print letter F, the upper and lowercase version, and we're going to draw big giant versions. You're right. What sound does the letter F make? And the action that we use to remind ourselves is like squeezing air out of a ball. So, that's right. Shall we show everybody what they can expect after they watch us draw the upper and lowercase examples?
Yes.
Here we go. Look at those. Wow, super cool. So we hope you join us for that, and
Let's get started.
let's get started! For the uppercase F, Elliot, we're going to draw a line from the top corner of the page about 3, 4, 5 centimeters long. And then from the top of that line, we're going to draw a shorter line perpendicular to it. And then about halfway down the spine of the F, a shorter line. There's the uppercase F. The lowercase f, we're going to start about here and then draw a big arc around and continue the line all the way down to the bottom. And about halfway up the F, we're going to draw a line right through the spine this time. Okay, that is how you print the upper and lowercase letter F. To draw giant versions, we're going to start with a dot about here and a dot about here. Now we're going to connect those two. You can try a straight line, a wavy line, different types of lines. Okay, and now a dot about close to the top of the line there and in the center of the page. Now from that line, we connect with the dot. And then we do a dot right here. And continue the line until you get to the dot. Now we're going to do a dot closer to the spine of the F here at an angle, right about there. Connect the line with the dot. Now we're going to draw a dot about here. Continue from the line and connect with the dot. A dot right out about here. Again, connecting the two. Another dot here. Now connect those two. A dot closer to the spine or the back of the F, but not all the way. A dot close to the bottom here, about the same level as the bottom of the line. And connect those two. Now we need to connect the two lines at the base of the F. With the lowercase f, I'm going to start the top of it about here. And I'm going to draw a line all the way, an arcing line, and then a straight line about to here. And then a dot about there. Starting from the line, we're going to connect those two. Another dot here. And again from the line, connecting those two. A dot, or just a line directly back in. And now a dot at the bottom. Now connect the line with that dot. Now we're going to continue from the top here, and we're going to put a dot right there. Connect the line to the dot. Now I'm going to put a dot on the other side, right about here. Then connect with an arc the line with the dot. There we go. Now a dot about here, and then connect the line with the dot. Then a dot right here. Now we're going to connect those two. A dot closer to the F again. Connect those two. Now a dot right about the same level as the bottom of the F, and connect those two. The last thing we need to do is draw a line at the base of the lowercase f. There is our giant upper and lowercase f's. The choices we've got for coloring are big F's with circles. These are the vertical lines. Here are the horizontal lines. Here are large checkers or a grid. There's a small grid pattern. There's a star pattern, and there are large lines, vertical lines. Which one would you like to color in?
Stars.
Stars, okay. You get the stars, and I am going to go with the large grid. Now to download these giant upper and lowercase f patterns as well as printed font, you can visit www.myabcdad.com. Now we're going to print and color in our letters, and for this we'll fast forward the video. Here we go, Elliot. So there are our upper and lowercase printed letter F's and our upper and lowercase giant letter F's with our patterns colored in. Did you like that, Elliot?
Yes.
High five. Yeah! Okay, we hope you enjoyed that. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel because it really helps. And go ahead and visit www.myabcdad.com for loads of other really great ideas and activities with Elliot and I. So we hope you enjoyed that, and
We'll see you soon.
we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.